would you say to someone who was considering a purchase of this Transportable Lite, and what would you say to them in terms of and considering it, where it would make sense for them?
Well, I think you have to look at what, I would list the things, what are you trying to accomplish? Is it you're just trying to move from CR to DR? Are you trying to get another room? What are you really trying to accomplish? Because I think that was where we kind of that's how we got to where we are. We thought we needed to buy two or three different plates, and then really kind of, as we spoke, we talked a little bit about what are you really looking for, and where can we get some efficiencies, and then as we all get faced with today, it's budget, right?
Sure.
You only have X dollars,
right?
So how can we get the most bang for our buck, and flexibility? And it was slam dunk, easy decision once we got to those, getting that down, knowing exactly what we wanted. And then going back and saying, financially, this is a much better solution for us than the other options.